In this video, we're going to be looking at sessions. Now, session is another super global variable, just like the underscore server and $_ post and get. But session are used to store user data in the server, and it's kind of very important, especially when you're doing something like a login or registration page, or let me say a login page that prompts the user to log in if the details are correct. So let's look at how we can work with sessions. I'm gonna do a save as here, call this session.php, and I'll do a change here, session here, and I'll also have to remove this. Okay, now the session variable is written as $_session like this. And now let's see how we can use this to accomplish one or two things in this video. Okay, now let's assume we have some specific data in let's say our database, like user ID, the name, and some private data, and you want to start up a session for a particular user, for instance, and you happen to say session start. Now to declare the session or to start a session, you have to say session start like this. Okay, now to start a session, you start it like this. You say session start like that, and you put a bracket, and next in line you have to declare the session that you starting or opening. Oh no, let's just do it like this. Now don't assign it to a variable. Let's just say we're assigning the username to a name. Let's just say a name called datums. Okay, and we've started our session, and we want to see how this works. Now we're going to open another page right here. Let me just copy this and paste it here. Now I'll call this view.php. Let me call it view.php. And now what we want to do is, on a normal node, you're supposed to echo or include, rather, you're supposed to include the session.php in the view.php, so that's to bring everything from here into this place. But it don't work like that with sessions. Instead, since you're starting up a session, you have to call on the session start here. Okay, let's say session start, and then you call on the particular session that you want to start. Now we want to echo it. Now echo session $_session, and we wrote username. Now let's see how that's going to work. Let's go to our browser, go localhost, and the first file we're going to view there is session.php here. Now when we click on this, you discover that nothing happens, and that is to say the session has been set. Okay, so let's go back and view our session and see. Now you discover that this is now displaying. Now had it been this right here, the session.php was not set, then this wouldn't have came out to be anything. Okay, so that is how sessions have been set. Now in a real sense, you might say if let's put that in an if else statement. Now let's say if, we'll put this in the bracket. Now if session username, or let's say if is set. Okay, let's say if is set, and put that right there. Now if is set, we want to echo something. We want to echo, let's say, welcome to welcome to our website, for instance, or welcome to our platform. Okay, now if it's not said, we'll have to introduce an else statement there. Now if it's not said, then we'll echo something else. Let's say we'll echo please log in. Please log in. Now let's check that and see how it works. Now since we've already set the session right here in the other form, or in the other script rather, the session.php, now this will set the session, and then when you click on view.php and when you go to view.php, then it welcomes you to the platform. So that is how the session variable works. Take a very good look at it and know how it works. I'll see you in the next video.